Okay, we're going for the fireworks display. So a little bit raining actually. I thought they will cancel, but yeah, it's okay here. I don't know where will be the firework later, so we just paid like £5 for adult, $2.50 for kids, and this one is $3.50 for the rides. So different entrance and different payment for the rides, and they have like souvenirs here or something, and then barbecue. Maybe I'll buy some barbecue later. And maybe some £3 per person for that ball. A little bit actually, because normally it should be like this. Alex, you didn't lock it yet. You need to lock this one. It's not locked yet. Alexander don't get dizzy actually. Last time we went to a ride and I'm so dizzy, but he didn't. And he likes red, so he's there. I think just this one. Let's see, but the parking is really far. So we just park in the... They even have their own parking, but it's all good. So the main is really the fireworks. But I will check later what we have inside. Because I also forgot to take coffee with me, so I'll just buy it here. I hope it will not really rain, because if not, I need to take the umbrella in the class. Quite long actually. Okay guys, that's it. I'll update you later.